Hello, hello guys, and welcome to a video. And we played hold on. And you're playing Build a Boat. And sorry if I'm not really that loud, but I'm at my nan's currently, and we'll be showing how to get the very new tool, the screwdriver. I think we can turn things so you can either fall through it or it's like invisible, but you can still walk on it. I think that's what new tool is about. I'm not too sure, guys, but I'm sure it's that. And we've got the fighter jet, boys. Let's go the other way. Yeah. Plus, this is also a stunt jet. Not just a jet. And look how many attempts there was trying to get back and forth. Okay, that was crazy. See you in the waterfall. Okay, so we're just going in here. Through the waterfall, of course, and there's like this room, and so the code is I'm just confused. So is it yellow, purple, red, then pink, yellow, purple, red? Oh God, I pressed. Oh my God. I'm going to use it purple. Yeah, she said purple. He went like that and stood up here on purple. Okay, that was just funny. Oh my gosh, okay. Imagine if I pull the wrong one, then clones come eat us. Wow, he's actually holding the book. Drunk monkey. And here's the plushie. This is a plushie of many secrets of that all. You can push that. Oh no. He's ruined it. You cannot do it that. That's like impossible to get. Be it back, guys, when we can do it. Okay, so okay. Because he just ruined it. Like, he got stuck in the hole with a corner, and technical difficulties. I know it's yellow. I do not know what he just done. This time, do not push it at an angle. And I can literally go in right now, and you push me. So you push that, and you fall into this second secret room. We jump down through the red thing up here. And then there's like code orange, purple, so orange, purple, yellow and green. Green. So orange, purple, yellow, green. And then this is what there is. There's like a blue octopus head. So it's like, so here you can see, if you here there's a blue octopus head, and they're all octopus heads, and my voice is breaking up. So yeah, here's a screwdriver, and that's how you open the safe. And this is our little hangout. I don't think anyone in the server knows about it. Only Cool Def. And yeah, I think you can close it. I'm not too sure. What was that? I just thought I saw something like a character. Maybe not. And we do not know how to get out. So, wow, just wow. You don't even know where the entrance is. And yeah, you can use it as a hangout place. Wow. Okay. So, I'm not sure. Now. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna show you a glitch. Like how to get the secrets and extra things. Like, you know, just simple. Like that. Here is a glitch. Every single person in the world loves this glitch. And you can break it very easily. Okay, no anchor. And yeah, I do not get any of this, but it's done something that makes it fly. Oh my gosh! And what now? Because he just flung us out of the map. And that is very crazy. Actually, it's called, wow, Cool Def is still on. I'm surprised that, okay. What is that? Wow, just wow. I'm on top of him. Yeah, boys. So place a glue block and delete the bottom. And then delete all, no. Not that, he done it wrong. Okay. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna try it too, you know. I got my room.